Well, hi everybody. Welcome to week 4. Wow, this time is going fast. And hopefully you're finding in the process you're learning quite a number of new things, maybe reaffirming some things that you kind of already knew a little bit about, but have found new things. Regardless, you guys are doing a great job with this. So this week we're actually going to be taking a couple other areas to look at. We're going to look at a discussion of how essentially we're all 99.9% alike. This is in terms of population genetics and genetic drift. Then we'll be looking at part 2 of a 2-part video series on the science of human race. The first part starts off a little bit dry, but stick with it because I think you'll find some interesting perspective in it there. Definitely worth the time to look through it. Another video you'll be looking at is on sickle cell disease, and yes, you may have worked with it in the past. Some of you might not have, but hopefully this will offer just another perspective on it to take a look. And then the discussion this week will center on the ongoing debate between creationism and evolutionism. We have our perspectives, obviously, on this. I'm very much a creationism type person. I believe God has created us. However, is it possible that we could have a little bit of both going on at the same time? Now, don't forget, case study 2 is due this Sunday. Make sure you have that set to go. And then make sure you're also meeting with your groups that have been assigned for your final project. And what's interesting about that is you'll be doing a topic, and then week 6 you'll be viewing the other topics by the other groups. And that's what the week will consist of. And boom, in 1 week you're going to learn about several new areas that maybe you didn't have the familiarity, maybe you never heard of them before. So an exciting week ahead of us here, and I'm going to ask you, keep up the good work, but stick with it. It's a lot of work going back to school, no question, but you're doing it. And I'm there to support you. So let me know if you have any questions. You can always email me. You can always text me with any questions. Hang in there, guys, and we'll see you next week. Bye-bye now.